Hello, little explorers! A magical adventure is waiting for us. Today, Lucy will explore the mysterious reptile world, the lively green forest, the land of giant dinosaurs, and the cheerful farm with you. Are you curious to see who we will meet? Let's start the journey with Lucy right now. Let's begin! First, on the right side, we spread a layer of orange sand. Then, we use small pebbles to make the border. Next is the yellow sand area. After that comes the red sand area. Each area is separated by cute little pebble lines. The remaining space is covered with pink sand. Then we create a cool blue pond in the center. Now, let's return to the orange sand area. We cover it with a fresh green moss mat. Around it are green trees and strange-shaped rocks, creating a very unique natural scene. Next is the yellow sand area. Here, we build a green forest with a large ancient tree as the main highlight. Around it are large and small rocks, colorful mushrooms, and flowers. Now we come to the red sand area. We decorate it in a wild and mysterious style. The rocks, bushes, and natural details make this place look like an unexplored land. Finally, we decorate the pink sand area. Here, we build a familiar farm with trees and a peaceful scene. This place will become a warm home for the animals. Ta-da! We have completed a lively miniature world with a green forest, a mysterious land, a happy farm, and a clear blue pond. Python. The python is one of the largest snakes in the world. It has no venom, but its body is very long and strong. Pythons often live in rainforests and swamps, and they wrap around their prey when hunting. Spiny-tailed lizard. The spiny-tailed lizard lives in hot and dry places. Its tail has many hard spikes for protection. It mostly eats plants and likes sunbathing to keep its body warm. Crocodile. Crocodiles are reptiles that live in rivers, lakes, and swamps. They have very strong jaws with many sharp teeth. Crocodiles can swim fast and often sunbathe on riverbanks. Snakes are reptiles with no legs. They move by bending their bodies from side to side. Snakes use their tongues to sense smells in the air and can live in many different habitats. Turtle. Turtles are famous for the hard shells on their backs. The shell helps protect their bodies from predators. Some turtles live on land, while others live in water. Tiger. The tiger is the largest cat in the world. Its orange fur with black stripes helps it hide in the forest. Tigers are excellent hunters and usually live alone. Giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest land animal. Its long neck helps it eat leaves from tall trees. Each giraffe has a different spot pattern. Eagle. The eagle is a powerful bird of prey. It has very sharp eyesight and wide wings for flying high. Eagles often build nests on cliffs or tall trees. Macaw parrot. Macaw parrots are famous for their colorful feathers. They live in tropical rainforests. Macaws are very smart and can imitate some sounds. Antelope. Antelopes are plant-eating animals. Their long legs help them run very fast. When in danger, antelopes can jump very high and far. Spotted deer. Spotted deer have brown fur with many white spots. The white spots help them hide in the forest. Spotted deer are gentle and like eating leaves and young grass. Main lion lizard. The main lion lizard has a very special appearance. The skin around its neck looks like a lion's mane. When in danger, it can spread this neck skin to protect itself. Kangaroo. The kangaroo is a famous animal from Australia. Its strong back legs help it jump very far. Mother kangaroos have a pouch on their belly to carry their babies. Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus was a meat-eating dinosaur that lived millions of years ago. It had two noticeable horns above its eyes. Its long legs and strong tail helped it run fast and keep balance. Theropods were two-legged meat-eating dinosaurs. T-Rex and Velociraptor both belonged to this group. Many theropods had sharp claws and could run very fast. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus was a plant-eating dinosaur. It had a special long crest on its head. The crest may have helped it make loud sounds. Triceratops. Triceratops had 3 large horns on its head. It was a plant-eating dinosaur. Its large bony shield helped protect its neck from predators. Pachycephalosaur. Pachycephalosaur was famous for its very thick head. It was a plant-eating dinosaur and walked on 2 strong back legs. Its name means thick-headed lizard. Sauropelta. Sauropelta was a dinosaur protected by many armor plates. It had sharp spikes on its back and neck. Its armor helped protect it from predators. Duck. Ducks are familiar birds on farms. Their webbed feet help them swim very well. Ducks like living near ponds and lakes, and they often move in groups. Dairy cow. Dairy cows are raised to provide milk for people. They are plant-eating animals and usually live in herds. The cow's familiar sound is moo. Goose. Geese are birds with long necks. They can swim very well and often live near ponds or lakes. Geese are very alert and usually move in groups. Frog. Frogs are amphibians. They can live both in water and on land. Baby frogs are called tadpoles, and adult frogs have strong back legs for jumping far. Now we know who we have met, right? They are mysterious reptile friends, lovely green forest residents, giant dinosaurs, and cheerful farm animals. Thank you for joining Luccy on today's adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to explore more amazing things together. Goodbye, little explorers, and see you again.